Oh boy, Yohamado Samporelli. So this event is actually a lot of firsts for me. It's the first time I'm tearing on my Oshimen account. It's also the first time I'm ever tearing on JP. And it's my first ever tier 1. Since Johanne is the tier reward, so I have to get into tier 1 to get all 3 copies. So I have no idea what to expect, but a lot of people say that tiering on JP is way easier nowadays compared to EN. So we'll see. I actually really hope that this Johanne is a cool card, since we don't have an SR plus card of Johanne in cool. And yeah, my plan for the 3 copies is also, I think I'm going to idolize her with 2 copies and then keep the 3rd one around. I know some people idolize just all of them with seals and have them on their teams 3 times, but I feel that's like a bit of cheating, to be honest. So I'm going to have an idolized and an unidolized copy, and when I have enough card, I'm going to feed the unidolized into the idolized. So that's the plan. And I'm going to just vlog a bit throughout the event, just that you see how I'm doing, if I'm suffering or not, if I think it's really hard, if I think it's really easy. And I also completely forgot how Osampo rallies work. I never knew to begin with. I only played a few songs in the first one. So I'm going to have to read into that. But for now, we'll see each other tomorrow when the event starts. Okay, so here it is. Let's look at it. A story I don't understand really, so I'm going to skip it and read it on my EN like I always do. Okay, so already points for that. Theoretically, I should know how this event works, but I don't think I do. I just read the rules, but it's always a bit different experiencing it than just reading it. Okay, bunch of rules in Japanese. I'm going to figure it out somehow. Oh, so now you can move around the map. That's nice. But there isn't really anything here, just the yo with a new story. So let's skip that too. Yay, getting rewards for doing nothing. Okay, so and now I believe, yeah, now there is a song. And goals are getting a C score, a C combo, and kono questo wo clear suru. Also, one of the first 2 to clear, we will get more gold. Okay, so then I can choose the difficulty. Oh, we have an LP modifier thing. Okay, so where can we look at the rewards? Ranking, there they are. Okay, Hanamaru is smiling. Yay, Johanne is cool. Okay, that's great. I definitely need her. So I'm going to play a few songs and be back in a second. Okay, so I got stuff for clearing Pop's heart. It's nice to know that my Johannes Smile team is strong enough to give me an S score even in a harder expert song. Yeah, so I just ranked up, cleared all 3 goals, okay. That's a nice animation. I really have no idea what this event is about. Okay, what's this? Okay, so this gives you some kinds of bonuses? Like points up or less LP to use? Or the drop rate of these things is heightened? What's here? Oh, does that mean you can exchange stuff? Is that like a sticker shop just with these items? That's cool. Okay, and you can get the Hanamaru in the shop. Okay, so what's here? Okay, just a random song and just an 80% LP usage. Okay, this is just getting a Osampo rally exploring and not an Oshimen tearing video. So I'm going to get back when I have a hang of this event. Okay, so I think I got down how it works. So basically I think I just have to play all the random attribute thingies, and this way I'll get points, and yeah, I'm just going to unlock some stories along the way. So yeah, I understand why people call it a very chill event, but I think it's nice. I'm probably going to enjoy it because it is so chill. Okay, no LP multiplier you can use here. And I think it's very interesting, this implementation of the shop. I didn't acknowledge it, but you can, you don't get 2, you get, 3 copies of the Hanamaru through points, you only get 1, and you can buy 2 from this shop. So that's pretty interesting. So, but better for me with the Oshimen account, so I only have to sell 1 copy of Hanamaru. Okay, so now it's just farming for now. So probably see you in a few days. Okay, so it's been a few days. Today is Friday the 8th. So let's see where I am in the event right now. Okay, so I have around 40,000 points. I've already spent quite a few of gems. I'm keeping track. Right now I've used 14. There wasn't a significant change in my gem count because I just kept getting gems back. But yeah, I'm probably going to spend way more gems. For now, I'm aiming for like 180,000, 190,000 points, somewhere around that, because I don't want to risk anything when I'm tiering. I always want to get comfortably in the middle, especially since the last few hours of the event are always school for me, so I can't play then. So right now in the event, I'm at around rank 20,000. You need to get into 10,000 and above to get into tier 1, but I'm confident that I can make it if I don't screw it up. So yeah, it's a bit frustrating to use so many gems for so little LP. I have more than double my maximum LP on my main EN, and even though I'm compensating a bit with ranking up a lot, I still feel like I'm wasting a lot of gems. So yeah, okay, just a quick update, and I'm going to be back in a few days for another insight for how I'm doing in the event. Okay, so right now we have Sunday the 10th, so we're halfway through the event, and I am at 100,000 points, so I thought this would be the perfect moment to update you a bit. So I'm actually still around the gems I started with. I think I started with 152. And yeah, I'm still keeping track. And if I'm not wrong, I have already used 49 love gems. I'm just imagining if this wasn't an Osampo rally or an token event where you have to spend 25 LP to play an expert song, I would already be so burned out. It's incredible. Oh my god. It's really a blessing that you can use like multiple LP at once, because like one gem is essentially one song to play for me. And if this was a different event, like a score match or so, one gem would be 2.5 songs with the max LP I have now. So I don't even want to think about that. But I think I'm doing pretty fine. I'm in T1 right now, but Event Predictor says the event is going to cut off at 180,000, so I still have a lot of playing to do, and after I record this, I am going back to farming. But to mix things up a bit, I do have quite a few blue tickets. I got one from hitting rank 80. By the way, this tiering also helps a lot with ranking up quickly and just increasing my max LP, which is great. So this blue ticket I got from getting to rank 80 got me to 5 blue tickets, and I had so many stickers that I could buy 5 more. So let's do one in Muse and one for Aqua. I am a bit scared, like I always am, but let's see. Okay. Maki! I feel like Maki really wanted to be my Oshimen, but then somehow Hanayo came out first. Like, what is up with all the Maki I'm getting? I'm sorry, girl, I have to sell you. Okay, so one in Muse, and let's do the second one in Aqua. Okay, SR, and it's initial Ruby. I also feel like we got a lot of ruby on this account, but that's probably because we scouted in the first year's box, so that's kind of inevitable. Okay, so just disappointment from the blue tickets, but at least no great pain like a UR we have to sell. I'm still dreading the day I have to sell a UR, which I know is coming. Okay, so I'll just go back to farming and update you guys again in a bit. I am so ready for this event to be over. Oh my god. It's been a few days since the last update. Right now it's Thursday the 14th. So the event is ending tomorrow at 8 AM for me. So I just did a 2-hour grind for like 50,000 points because I didn't have time the last few days and I was lazy and tired on Tuesday when I actually wanted to do another update, but well, more work I had to do now. So yeah, I am at 200,000 points. The predictor is right now at 183,000. So I really hope I'm safe. I'm going to check definitely first thing tomorrow morning, and if need, put a few more gems in. Speaking of gems, if 200,000 points are enough, I have spent a total of 93 love gems on this event. Like, the deficit on my gem count is only like 20 gems. I don't know where those other 70 came from, but that's the amount of gems I used. Just imagine if I didn't have such a high gem count. I didn't know what I was expecting, but I certainly wasn't expecting to use 93 love gems. So, again, bless LP multiplier. I guess you can argue if there is no LP multiplier, then the other people to tier 1 also are going to spend less gems, but I don't know. First tier 1 for me. Right now I am pretty comfortably in tier 1 at rank 3000. So let's hope I stay here. I finally know why people are upset if they fall out of tier 1. Because this was a lot of work, and it was certainly an experience. But I'm just going to be happy when this event is over and I finally don't have it nagging at the back of my head all the time, and that I finally can't use it as an excuse for not doing my work. I seriously need to work for like school finishing stuff. So yeah, tomorrow after the event has ended is going to be the last part of this video. We're going to analyze the Yoshiko because we're definitely going to have 2 copies, even if I by my terrible luck just fall out of tier 1. I have quite a few cards to sacrifice. I got 3 copies still from the Hanamaru of the shop because I just didn't know what to do with my souvenirs, and I have 2 silver seals, and I think my remaining souvenirs I'm just going to use on friend points because I got the 2 scouting tickets, and I'm not quite interested in the backgrounds on this account. I'm a real completionist a completionist as far as I can be in this game on my main account, but my other accounts are just like, eh. So yeah, just going to use it for like 36,000 friend points. So yeah, and the second half of the Wonderland set is coming out, but I am not going to scout if Yoshiko is just an SR. I'm only scouting if she is an SSR, which I'm doubting because she was an SSR 2 sets ago, but still, it could happen. So yeah, because I don't have that many gems anymore, I still have quite a few expert songs to play, but the gems are limited and there's going to be a Guilty Kiss box probably on the next Aqua event, and the next two Muse sets are going to feature an Hanayo SSR and a Hanayo UR, so it's probably good to save for those things. So yeah, that's it from me today. I really hope I don't have stress tomorrow morning realizing I still have to grind a few more 1,000 points. So yeah, see you tomorrow. And it's finally over. We did it. Or, okay, I did it. I got into T1 and got 3 copies of the Yoshiko, which makes me so happy. I actually overshot quite a bit. I really overestimated the final rush and whoops. Yeah, T1 just got to 182. So I'm in the upper half of T1, but that's totally okay. The only thing that matters is that I did it. So yeah, let's collect the rewards and idolize our brand new Yoshiko. Now we have at least one SR Plus card for all of our teams. So that's great. So much work just for this. She is so pretty. I'm actually considering tiering this on my EN2, just tier 2, because I really do love these cards. So yeah, now that we've idolized Johanna, we have quite a bit of sacrificing to do. We have the 3 Maru SRs, then we have the 2 cards, and we have the 2 cards we got from the blue tickets. So that's a total of 5 seals. So let's just do that quickly. Who was I leveling in Smile? I can't remember. Let's just level Johanna. We need her. Oops. Idolizing screen. Oh, I was leveling this Hanayo. So, bye bye Triple Maru. I don't actually feel so bad. Like I said, I'd probably tier this on my EN, so it's alright. And now the other 2 SRs to this Hanayo. I think I have Dancer Maki on my EN and I'm not too sad about Initial Ruby. I'm just... the Oshimen challenge really makes me more resistant to sacrificing cards. And now that we have a few more seals and enough gold now to do so, let's idolize some cards by seal. So first I really want to idolize the Valentine's Hanayo because she's so cute idolized, I love her. So let's do that. Look at this cute angel. Okay, that's all Hanayo has to say. So yay, pretty new idolized SR. And to also strengthen a bit our pure Yohane team, let's idolize the cheerleader Yoshiko too. I'm going to be honest, I'm just idolizing her because I prefer her idolized. I think she's really cute. So let's get to it. So cute, really. I really don't understand why so many people seem to hate the cheerleader set. I think it's very cute. Okay, so that was the Idolizations, and I'm just going to buy 2 more blue tickets so we can do another one. Just why not? It will be a bit of time until I scout again with gems. The new set is out and Yoshiko is just an SR like I thought. So we're going to pass out on her, but really this set is very, very cute. I like it a lot. And let's do the blue ticket in Muse. Just to make the decision easier, I'm just going to switch around always. Like first Muse, Aqua, Muse, Aqua, Muse, Aqua. So the last we did was Aqua, so now do Muse. We do Muse. Okay. Okay. And it's... Is this initial? No. Is it? No, it's Christmas, right? Yeah, yes. I can't read the first part, but the skill name says Kurisumasu. So yes, this is V1 Christmas. Okay, but... Sorry Nico, I like you, but I also have to sacrifice you. So let's do that. It's just such a waste of seals, but still, why not? One day we maybe get lucky and get some Hanayo or Yoshiko out of it. So, bye bye! Okay, so that's it. That was the 10-day journey of me cheering for Yohane. So thank you if you have watched this video and went with me on this wonderful journey. And see you probably for the Guilty Kiss box, I think. The next Hanayo event should be a while, because she was just the first one in the rotation with the friendly match. So probably Guilty Kiss box. So, bye!